Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this short and easy tutorial, we're gonna be talking about how to make a line press gesture recognizer to detect line press on one button, for example. And as usual, we will open one new project. So let's go to Xcode, and here we say file, new project. Then we'll ask for which kind of project, single view app, and here we'll say iOS, Swift, and let's name it line press gesture. Okay, so as soon as I select, it asks me, okay, where I want to put it in this directory. Also, I want this product for that. Oh, here you go. We will see one warning. So what this warning says is said already your project exists, but it's closing Xcode, so you can replace it. Or anyway, it's not read only, so you can replace it. So, if you want to start over your project, you can do it, but I do not recommend, because sometimes it's by mistake you're doing it and you will lose everything. But I want to replace it because it was a test project, and now I'm doing again this one for this tutorial. So as soon as we're done with that part, what we need to copy. Yeah, we need to copy our picture inside the assets directory. So I'll from Finder, I will drag my image here. You may say it's the bottom, why you need a picture. I will tell you. Okay, I will explain for you. So we will go to main storyboard, and inside here I just say button. Okay, I put one button here, and in this button, what I say, I come here and I will say okay, use okay, image as a background or image as a foreground. I will choose as a background. Here we go. But it make it a little bit big, so because it's size of the image. Also, I remove this text because I choose background, and about the size of this image, this button. Yeah, come here, see if I can change size of the, yeah, I can change size. Here I say for wide else, for example 200, and for high 400. Here we go. Then I can bring an image here in the middle. Okay, I just do add some constraints. So I let's keep a size depend of the screen. So I control drag from this button to same, and I say aspect ratio. So if I go to here in constraints, I will see that is add 1:2 ratio aspect, and also I'll control from this button to super view or my main screen, and I say equal high. So you will see this one, but I don't want to be 1:1, so I say multiple 0. For example 7. it's not being affected until I align this. So I will align this button at the middle with two constraints. You will see now it's this one, but I'm going to change that one now from 7 to, for example, half. Here you go. You will see it's 0.5, so it's half. Okay, so now we have this ready. We just need to connect it to the view controller. So I click on assistant editor, and then I control drag from this image from here, or if this actually button from here or here, control drag here, and now what I need to name it, I say I believe view line or line view. Yeah, line view. Okay, I close assistant editor. I have codes ready here, so I copy them, Command C, then I come back here and I paste them inside view controller. I don't want this. I delete it and it will go sitting over this view did load. So let's see, I said long view and here view line, so I need to change this to long view. I will explain for you when I run the project. Also here you will see that our line gesture will be, yeah, here we got error. I was just trying to explain that. Yeah, we triggered with selector from view controller function or method line pressed, but it says to us that it's not exposed to Objective-C, this method. So for fixing that, we need to put add object. So if I say fix, it will add it for me. So now we're good. And so let's run, then I will explain for you. Okay, so what I did, I created a variable by the name of line gesture. Also I had a connect to the user interface from my storyboard by the line view. So I for this line gesture I say equal UI line gesture, actually UI line press gesture recognizer with target and trigger this function. Also I say minimum press duration 1 second. It could be 2, 3, 4, whatever you like. And then I add gesture recognizer to this line view, and in line press I just trigger an alert that message by the name of title line press, and also line press gesture called when you press the one view of 1 second duration. So and with this specification get one OK button, and then alert, I add action to that, action OK, which I just declared here, and then I present it in this function. So it will be there until we tap on OK. So also we if you we did the aspect ratio to keep size of the our button with our super view. So let's see when our project running. This blank screen also is our launch screen that just here usually in our project, and it's you can add if you like a few seconds before your app sees something. Okay, so now I have my button here as a picture. So if I tap on this for 1 second, yeah, we will receive this alert that line press gesture called when you press on view of 1 second duration. Okay, and let's say okay. So if I do it again for 1 second, same. But if I tap for less than second, nothing happened. Just one tap, nothing. So we can detect line press now. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. This was a video from a series of 6 tutorial about gesture recognizers. And if you like it, please give a thumbs up. Also subscribe, don't forget to subscribe to receive daily video and tutorials, and ask your question in comments. Also, if you couldn't this code didn't go through for you when you try to do it with the tutorial, you can go to comment. There's a link to GitHub that includes source code. And at the end, I wish the best for you, and bye bye.